Hi dear, the machine is finished. Now we are going to test for you. Let's show you the machine details. This is the limit switch and this is the heavy guide rail and the bolt screw. This is the 25 heavy guide rail. A vacuum pump table. On the side of the pipers connections. Before the machine working, please put a thin MDF on the material, because the absorber could absorb the material through the thin MDF, and this thin MDF could protect the vacuum pump table. This is the block. This is the autofocus tool. T-salt tools. This is the DSP handle. It is used USB to interface the This is the filling in water. This is the driver. This is the system.